for taking a look at my video today. We're going to go through removing the upper dash panel on a 2002 PT Cruiser. Now there's lots of information on the internet for this. I'm going to keep a couple links down below, so take a peek for a little more details to it. Now this is my car, and it hasn't aged well on the dash pad. For whatever reason, these gray ones just don't hold up. It's cracked on all ends of it. Now my original solution was just to throw a dash pad on it and just cover up the problem and look around, and maybe something will come up in a yard, or I'll find a deal on eBay. And lo and behold, shortly after that, this 2003 appeared in the local yard, and dash pad is in decent shape. Is it perfect? No, but the price point I think reflects that. Pulling this out was around that $20 mark, so very affordable. It does have some scratches and some scuffs and some marks on it. Now to pull it out, you've got to pull the bezel away. There's a little screw you got to undo. You need to pull the trim around the pillars off, and there's two little screws kind of in the center of the dashboard there. And we're going to show you a little diagram here. Just pull them, and then again you just give a little yank on the dashboard, nice and gentle, to kind of pull away the clips. And took about 15 minutes to do overall, so a pretty straightforward job. This is the pad installed in my car. So again, you can see it's not perfect. I went ahead and did a little steel mesh behind it with a little bit of adhesive to give the dash pad a little more structure, and also give a little more support, so hopefully it won't crack in the future, or it'll last a little bit longer. And that's essentially a pretty straightforward job on a upper dash pad. Hope you enjoyed the video. By all means, subscribe if you can. Appreciate it. Thank you very much.